BBC Kids TV.
A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. But all that he could see was colorful fishes swimming in the sea. The sailor went to sand, to see what he could sand. But all that he could sand was a red crab on the sand. The sailor went to knot, to see what he could knot. But all that he could knot was on brown boat to make a knot. A sailor went to cut, to see what he could cut.